ओ Namo Namah. An overview of Vedanta Darshanam. A note by S.L. Abhyankar. Vedanta Darshanam or Uttarmimamsa Darshanam comprises of study of Brahma Sutrani, Upanishadaha and Srimad Bhagavad Gita. In overview of Sankhyam, there was mention of Sankhya Sutrani. In overview of Yoga Darshanam, there was mention of Yoga Sutrani. Brahma Sutrani become the Sutra Vangmayam related to Vedanta Darshanam or Uttarmimamsa. These are also known as Badarayana Sutrani, Vedanta Sutrani, Uttarmimamsa Sutrani, Shariraka Sutrani or Bhikshu Sutrani. The outline of Brahma Sutrani can be understood from the following table. अध्याय नाम सूत्र संख्या अधिकरण संख्या अविरोधाध्याय सूत्र संख्या 157 अधिकरण संख्या 47 साधनाध्याय सूत्र संख्या 186 अधिकरण संख्या 67 फलाध्याय सूत्र संख्या 78 अधिकरण संख्या 38 कुलतः टोटल सूत्र संख्या 555 अधिकरण संख्या 191. So approximately 3 sutrani for each adhikaranam. Upanishadaha are many, but 10 of them have come to be regarded as main. Ishakena kata prashna mundama andukya tittirihi aitareyancha chandogyam bruhadaranyakanstatha. Upanishadaha are found towards antaha, the end of the 4 Vedas, each Veda. Maybe because of that, they are also called as Vedanta. The word Antaha also means what is inside. By that token, Upanishadaha as Vedantaha can be taken to be summarizing the philosophical essence of Vedaha. In Shabdakalpadrumaha about Upanishad, it is said, Chatugnam Vedanam Ashiti Sahita Shatadhika Sahasra Sankhya 1180 उपनिषदः तथा हि ऋचः एकविंशतिः 21 of ऋग्वेद यजुषः नवाधिकशतम् 109 of यजुर्वेद साम्नः सहस्रम् 1000 of सामवेद पञ्चाशत् उपनिषदः अथर्वणस्य 50 उपनिषदः of अथर्ववेद of 4 Vedaः Yajurvedaः has 2 sections, Shukla Yajurvedaः and Krishna Yajurvedaः. The Upanishadaः are grouped as Vedantaः as follows, as below. Vedaः, Rugvedaः, Shukla Yajurvedaः, Krishna Yajurvedaः, Samavedaः, Atharvavedaः. 10 Bhashitaः Upanishadaः. Aitareya from Rugveda. Isha and Bruhadaranyaka from Shukla Yajurveda, Katha Taittiriya from Krishna Yajurveda, Kena Chandogya from Samaveda, Prashna Mundaka Mandukya from Atharvaveda. 8 more in Ashtadashi of Vinoba, Kaushitaki from Rugveda, Shvetashvatara from Shukla Yajurveda, Narayana Kaivalya Brahmabindu from Krishna Yajurveda, Mantrayani from Samaveda, Jabala Arunika from Atharvaveda. Shanti Mantra Om Vang Me Manasi from Rugvedya Upanishada. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam for Upanishada from Shukla Yajurveda. Om Sahana Vavatu for Upanishadaha of Krishna Yajurveda. Om Apyayantu Mamangani for the Upanishadaha of Samaveda. Om Bhadrankarne Vishnuyama Devaha for Upanishadaha of Atharvaveda. Note, Bhashitaha Upanishadaha means those Upanishadaha on which Shankar Bhashani of Adi Shankaracharya are available. The 10 Bhashitaha Upanishadah are usually studied in the sequence Ishakena Khata Prashna Mundaka Mandukya Taittiriya Aitareya Chandogya Brihadaranyaka. The tradition also is that the recitation of every Upanishad starts and closes with reciting Shantipatha. The mantra for Shantipatha is from the Veda to which the particular Upanishad is related. That is included in the table above. That is why I read the Shanti mantra Om Vang Me Manasi for Rigveda, Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam for Shukla Yajurveda, Om Sahana Bhavatu for Krishna Yajurveda, Om Apyayantum Mangani for Samaveda, and Om Bhadran Karnevi from Atharva Veda. Although Upanishadah are usually studied in the sequence mentioned, I find that the definition of what an Upanishad is detailed at the beginning of the Bhashyam of Kathopanishad, and that is as follows. Sadehe dhatoho visharanagati avasadhanarthasya upanipurvasya kvipratyayantasya rupam Upanishad iti. The word Upanishad is rupam, obtained by affixing the suffix kvip pratyayantasya to dhatuhu sad, sadehe dhatoho, having prefixes upani purvasya. The dhatuhu itself having meanings as visharana to submit, gati to go about, avasadana to settle. Visharana gati avasadana arthasya. Upanishad shabdena cha व्याचिख्यातस्य व्याचिख्यासित ग्रंथ प्रतिपाद्य वेद्य वस्तु विषया विद्या उच्यते. उपनिषद शब्देन च व्याचिख्यासित ग्रंथ प्रतिपाद्य वेद्य वस्तु विषया विद्या उच्यते. उपनिषद शब्देन च and by the word Upanishad vidya uchyate, that knowledge becomes mentioned. Vyachikhyasita grantha pratipadya vedya vastu vishaya, which relates to the subject matter vastu delineated pratipadya and to be studied vedya in books granthas that are vyachikhyasita, commented upon with elan. Punaha, again, kena artha yogena, by what meaningfulness, Upanishad shabdena, by the word Upanishad, vidya uchyate. Upanishad becomes mentioned as vidya, knowledge, by what meaningfulness? Drushtanushrabika vishayo vitrushnas santahaye mumukshavaha, those aspirants of liberation, mumukshavaha, by virtue of having no aspiration for pleasures of senses. Drushtanushrabika vishay vitrushnaha. Upanishad shabdavakyam vakshamana lakshanam vidyam upasadya upagamya. On attaining the knowledge that is implicit in the word Upanishad. Upanishad shabdavakyam vakshamana lakshanam vidyam. So attaining that knowledge which is implicit in the word Upanishad. Tannisthaya nischayena shilayanti, and pursue it with diligence. Nisthaya nischayena shilayanti. Tesham avidyadehe samsara bijasya visharanat visashanat vinashanat ityanena arthayogena vidya Upanishad iti uchyate. That knowledge of theirs which has excelled by total elimination of the avidya, disknowledge, samsara bijasya, of the seed of worldly indulgences, uchyate Upanishad, is called as Upanishad. Tatha cha vakshati nichayatam mrityumukhat pramuchyate iti. It is then said, he is delivered as he is freed from death. Mrityumukhat pramuchyate, delivered. Purokta visheshanatva, by earlier delineation, or mumukshun param brahmagamayati iti brahmagamayitrutvena yogat, because it helps those who aspire and strive to attain Brahma, it helps them to attain Brahma. Brahma Vidya Upanishad. So Upanishad is Brahma Vidya. Agnividya api Upanishad uchyate. Upanishad is Agnividya also. Well, with this much detail about Upanishadah, there is no need to detail much about Srimad Bhagavad Gita. But it is relevant to note that Samapana Vakyam, the phrase of epilogue of every Adhyaya of Gita, has the mention Srimad Bhagavad Gita Su Upanishadsu, declares every Adhyaya, this phrase declares every Adhyaya to be an Upanishad. By the way, in the phrase Srimad Bhagavad Gita Su Upanishadsu, the word Upanishad is feminine, Strilingi. The logic may be that Upanishadaha are on the side of Veda. Veda is masculine, Pullingi. So Upanishad is feminine, Strilingi. Another logic may be that Upanishad is Vidya, hence Strilingi. Grammatically, Upanishad is an adjective with the meaning what is Shat, stays, Upa plus Ni, always nearby. An adjective can have all genders, but Upanishad is feminine Strilingi by convention. Study of these three, Brahma Sutrani, Upanishadaha and Srimad Bhagavad Gita, has come to be regarded as Prasthanatrayi, the syllabus of Prasthanam scholarship. This syllabus of Prasthanatrayi came to be so regarded possibly because Adi Shankaracharya delivered his Shankara Bhashyani on all these. For deep and comprehensive knowledge of Vedanta Darshanam, one should rather study these from original Sanskrit texts, better still along with their Shankara Bhashyani. I know of only Gurudev Ranade who authored highly scholarly books on all these. Vedanta, the culmination of Indian thought. This book dwells on Brahma Sutrani, a constructive survey of Upanishadic philosophy, being a systematic introduction to Indian metaphysics. This book is obviously on Upanishad. Then Gita as a philosophy of God realization, that is on Bhagavad Gita. Apart from his Ashtadhyayi, there is a small book Upanishadancha Abhyas, study of Upanishadha in Marathi by Acharya Vinoba. In this book, Acharya Vinoba dwells on the essence of Upanishadha. Acharya Vinoba also delivered Gita Pravachani, discourses on Gita. I also have a small book, Samya Sutre, containing 188 Sutrani, may be composed by himself on the style of Brahma Sutrani or selected from Brahma Sutrani. It seems anyone who has studied Prasthanatrayi so deeply as to be able to give discourses or commentaries on Prasthanatrayi becomes qualified to be regarded as Rushihi, Swami, Acharya, Gurudeva. There are introductory notes on all the 10 Upanishadah at http://explorvedanta.com/bb-the-10-main-upanishads. We can take help from those notes when studying every Upanishad one by one. For now, may I close this overview of Vedanta Darshanam? Shubhamastu.